Shampooing is definitely important. To my point, water washing is the first step to shampooing your hair thoroughly and making sure that your entire scalp and hair is refreshed and clean. Water washing is simply washing your hair thoroughly, squeezing and massaging and thoroughly rinsing your hair first before you ever put shampoo in your hair. This will help to prevent using too much shampoo because you can't cut the grease and the grime in your scalp. Water washing loosens up all the dirt and the grime and the buildup in your hair and on your scalp. So, thoroughly wash your hair with water first, about 3 to 5 minutes, and then apply your shampoo. The beauty of beautiful hair shampoos is that they are clean. They will wash away all the buildup. They are clarifying shampoos and also have a touch of essential oils and hair oils inside so that your hair will not be completely stripped and dried out. Hence, it's called Beautiful Hair Products Moisturizing Shampoo. Look at the lather. You should have lather in your hair after water washing. Wash the first time, making sure to squeeze the shampoo throughout your hair. And yes, your suds should be clear at the end of your session. Never scratch your scalp. Always massage your scalp. Scratching irritates your scalp, causing scabs and sores and dry scalp. Open out your hair and make sure you rinse it thoroughly so that all the residue can wash away from your scalp, leaving your hair and scalp fresh and clean. Next, apply your conditioner cream. This you will leave on 2 to 5 minutes while your hair relaxes in its natural state. Again, massage the product throughout your scalp and your hair, making sure to apply the conditioner on the ends of your hair. Be very careful as you apply your product in your hair because wet hair is vulnerable hair and you want to avoid ripping out your hair and breaking it. After leaving it in 3 to 5 minutes, gently rinse your hair. Not strong, but just lightly, just to rinse out a little bit of the residue. No need to squeeze real tight. Next, you're going to put your super absorbent towel cap so that your hair can naturally drip into the cap. Never use a bath towel on your head and never agitate your hair in the bath towel. Let it naturally drip into the towel cap. Position your hair on top of your head and situate your towel cap over your hair, making sure to get all the ends tucked in and allow your hair to drip inside the towel cap for at least 30 minutes before you begin your steaming treatment. The super absorbent towel cap is an awesome accessory that complements everything that you get in your bundles. The super absorbent towel cap holds all the water away from your shoulders.